Welcome to our channel. How to log in and connect to Wi-Fi cable modems. Step 1. Plug in and power up. First, make sure your cable modem is connected to the power outlet and the coaxial cable from your internet provider. Wait a couple of minutes for the lights on the modem to stabilize. Step 2. Connect your device. Use either an Ethernet cable or your Wi-Fi to connect your computer or phone to the modem's default network. You'll usually find the Wi-Fi name and password printed on a sticker at the back or bottom of the modem. Step 3. Open your browser. Once you're connected, open any web browser. Chrome, Safari, or Edge will work fine. In the address bar, type the default login IP, usually something like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Step 4. Enter login details. You'll see a login screen. The default username and password are usually admin and password, or printed on the modem label. Enter those details to get inside your modem's settings. Step 5. Set up your Wi-Fi name. Once logged in, head to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings section. Here you can rename your Wi-Fi network, SSID. Pick a name you'll recognize easily, something simple but unique. Step 6. Choose a strong password. Now create a new Wi-Fi password. Don't stick with the default one. Use something strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, so your connection stays secure. Step 7. Save and restart. After you've made your changes, hit Apply. Your modem may restart, and your devices might disconnect for a moment. Just reconnect using your new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 8. Reconnect all your devices. Finally, go around and reconnect your phone, laptop, smart TV, or any other devices using your new Wi-Fi name and password. Once they're all back online, you're good to go. And that's it, you've successfully logged in and set up your Wi-Fi cable modem. Now you can enjoy a secure, customized network that works the way you want. Thanks for watching.